In this video, I want to share what I have found to be the best side hustle for seniors. It's an easy way you can make extra money for retirement. If you are now retired and looking for extra income, or if maybe you are planning ahead and wanting to cushion your golden years, this video is for you. I work this side hustle myself, and here are the top 3 reasons this is my recommended income stream. It's super simple, takes very little time, and you can make a substantial income. I'll go into detail on these 3 benefits in just a second, but first, let me introduce myself. My name is Joe Barclay. I've been working online side hustles on a full-time basis almost since the start of the internet. I haven't worked a real full-time job in decades. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So, this side hustle that I want to share may be just what you've been looking for. No previous experience is needed. And it's a simple way you can not just make more money, but the free time to enjoy it too. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer. And real quick, the term side hustle, if it's new to you, is just something you do to make more money. And there are all kinds of side hustles to choose from, so many that it can be really tough to select the side hustle that's best for you. The big thing to be aware of is that in almost all side hustles, you end up working far more than you expected. It's almost like taking on another job. Well, who really wants to do that? We worked all of our life to get here. I sure don't want to go back to work, and I'll bet you don't either. See, in almost all of them, there is no way to leverage your time. The only way you can make more money is to put in more time. Well, I've found something really different, and here are some specifics. First, it's really simple. Almost anyone can do it. You do not need any previous experience. There are no phone calls to make, no bugging your friends. It's all done online. Our team will give you your own website for free. You will have what we call a sales funnel. It will include a landing page where people request more information, a sales page that explains everything, and a series of emails to send out, all on autopilot. You do not have to create anything. We've done all that for you. You will have a sales funnel just like the one I used, but yours will be personalized so that it brands and promotes you. We will show you how to get tons of traffic to your sales funnel using one of our free marketing strategies. I will not insult you by trying to sell you some crappy marketing system or lead package. I really hate that. Second, what I really like is that this takes so little time. In fact, I will show you how to do this in just a few hours per week. And because it's all online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you. You do not need to be home. You do not need to keep any particular schedule. Again, this is about creating the time to enjoy life. And then the third reason I really like this side hustle is the money you can make. And many new people start making money in just a day or two. But better yet is that you can make long-term passive recurring income too. And that's money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. And while we're talking about money, this side hustle is very low cost. And no, it is not one of those MLM things where you are forced to buy products every month. We have terrific training. It's available both live and recorded. We have a Facebook group where you can pick up tips, get questions answered, and meet other like-minded people. And best of all, I will be your personal mentor and coach. To learn more about this side hustle for seniors and to see exactly how you can create more money and more leisure time for your retirement years, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.